Good morning everyone. Welcome to the another session of information and technology. Today we will continue in the software types or the types of software. There are two types of software we have discussed, application software and system software. So in the last class we have discussed the flow chart or the different type of software in the form of a diagram, where we have seen that in overall how many type of software are there, like application software and system software. Then their subtype has been explained in this diagram. This is already explained in the last class. Now when we talk about the different type of application software, we have two specific type. One is package software, one is customized software. What is package software? Something which is available in general, something which is available for everyone, which is not specifically designed for any specific client or any specific organization, or not designed for any specific institution, like MS Office, Photoshop, OpenOffice. These things are in general available. These things are designed by keeping in mind the users of each and every people, of each kind of office purpose, for each kind of personal purpose. We have some general available software and they are called package software. लाइक वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग पैकेज, मतलब जो आप एप्लीकेशन पैकेज की बात कर रहे हैं, जब जनरल सॉफ्टवेयर की बात कर रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सर्टन सॉफ्टवेयर विच इज़ easily available and easily accessible by any individual. The word processing package is one of the package which is designed to fulfill the needs of an individual who wants to work on document. डॉक्यूमेंट को क्रिएट करना हो, टेक्स्ट स्टोर करना हो, प्रिंट करना हो, सेव करना हो, एडिट करना हो. फॉर दैट वी हैव MS Word, OpenOffice का राइटर और WordStar. Then spreadsheet package. This is something which is used to store the data in an organized structure, and at the same time we can do some calculation, we can do graphical representation of data like Excel and Calc. Then we have DBMS or database management system. We have learned Access in class 8. That same thing is over here. Database management is basically an extended form of spreadsheet package. There are certain loopholes, there are certain drawbacks we have in spreadsheet, but these things has been rectified in database management system. And in a large scale, where we have to store the data in a large volume, we need to go for database management system. We have like MS Access and Base, Oracle, SQL, structured query language. Then DTP package, all these posters, banners, hoardings, any kind of pamphlets, anything, a catalog which you will find in and around. आप मार्केट में जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे पोस्टर्स दिख रहा है, आपके हाथ में कोई पैम्पलेट थमा रहा है, न्यूज़पेपर की एडिटिंग हो गई, इनविटेशन कार्ड हो गया, विजिटिंग कार्ड हो गया, पोस्टर्स हो गए, बुक के कवर पेज हो गए, ये सारे कुछ ग्राफिकल डिज़ाइनिंग सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू डिज़ाइन किए जाते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग पैकेज, and their example are PageMaker, CorelDRAW, Ventura. Then we have CAD, Computer Aided Design. इसके फुल फॉर्म पे ही है कि एक इस तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर, एक इस तरह का पैकेज, एक इस तरह का टूल जो डिज़ाइन करने में हेल्प करे, कंप्यूटर एडेड टूल के थ्रू. जब भी किसी मशीनरी के डिज़ाइन की प्रोडक्शन की बात आती है, किसी घर के या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के डिज़ाइनिंग की बात आती है, द इनिशियल स्टेज ऑफ एनी कंस्ट्रक्शन इज़ डिज़ाइनिंग. अगर किसी को फ़ैन डिज़ाइन करना हो, किसी को कार बनाना हो, किसी को घर बनाना हो, द इनिशियल फेज ऑफ एनी प्रोडक्शन इज़ डिज़ाइनिंग. And that designing used to be manual earlier, where people used to draw the diagram, people used to draw the layout using pen and paper or pencil, where there used to be so many corrections. Things were getting used, but the efficiency, the output, the 3D view of the diagram can be easily generated with the help of some computer aided design packages. मतलब जो काम डिज़ाइनिंग का मैनुअल किया जाता था, वो आज के टाइम पे काफ़ी आसानी से ऑटोमेटिक सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू किया जा सकता है. एंड दैट हेल्प्स अ लॉट टू द पीपल हु आर इन द फील्ड ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर, who are in the field of civil engineering, who are in the field of mechanical engineering. These people are getting a great help of CAD packages. Okay. Then CAD का एक अपना डेडिकेटेड सॉफ्टवेयर भी आता है. Then we have CASA, Computer Aided Software Engineering. What exactly this software works or this particular package do? Like I have to suppose I am expertise in any particular language. आप विजुअल बेसिक या C++ या फिर .NET किसी लैंग्वेज पे आप अच्छा खासा आपने कमांड कर लिया है. आपके बेसिक नॉलेज के बेसिस पे आप एक छोटा सा सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइन करना चाहते हैं, एक छोटा सा एप्लीकेशन डिज़ाइन करना चाहते हैं, तो उस केस में आज के टाइम पे बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म आ रहे हैं जहाँ पर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रोग्रामिंग ही नहीं कर सकते, उस प्रोग्राम को आप एक EXE फाइल यानी एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल यानी एक एप्लीकेशन के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. Like when you are working in Visual Basic software in your system, you are making a single program, write a program to do the addition of two number. आपने एक प्रोग्राम बना दिया एडिशन ऑफ टू नंबर का. अब उस प्रोग्राम को आप किसी सिस्टम पे इंस्टॉल करना चाहते हैं एज ए सॉफ्टवेयर, तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपको एक अलग सॉफ्टवेयर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उसी विंडो पे, उसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे बहुत सारे ऐसे टूल्स या फीचर्स रहते हैं जिसके हेल्प से आप उस प्रोग्राम को जिसमें आपने बनाया है दो नंबर को ऐड करने का, उसको आप एक सिस्टम एक एप्लीकेशन के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, एक सॉफ्टवेयर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म को हम लोग CASE यानी कंप्यूटर एडेड सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. देन वी हैव प्रेजेंटेशन पैकेज. When we talk about presentation package, we are talking about putting the things, putting the content, putting the information in more interactive form, like using graphs, using images, using animations, using clip art. तो presentation packages में PowerPoint की बात करते हैं, Impress की बात करते हैं, ठीक है. Then we have customized package. Customized package I have just mentioned in the very beginning, like I am willing to open a new shop which will be selling the medical items or the medicines of different medical field. अब उस मेडिसिन को बेचने के समय मुझे कस्टमर को एक कंप्यूटराइज इनवॉइस जनरेट करके देना है. हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द software or which software I will use. There are certain software which may be used as a billing system, but at the same time if I have a dedicated office, dedicated company which works on a dedicated product, and I want to use a certain software which will work or which will design only for my platform, only for my purpose. तो इस तरह से बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग जो एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में बेचते हैं या किसी भी तरह का सर्विस देते हैं. एक होटल है जो इसकी अलग अलग जगह पर ब्रांचेज है और हर ब्रांच पे एक ही सॉफ्टवेयर को यूज़ करना चाहती है. तो in that case all these specific institution, all these specific organization are hiring the software developer to design a customized software. So basically customized software are certain sort of software which is designed for any specific institution, a specific company, and they are dedicatedly designed for this to fulfill the requirement of this company. Okay, like in the example you can see the inventory example. There are for certain software for fee collection for a school, like there are certain software for booking of a hotel. So these are booking management system or ticket booking management system. There are many things available in the market as a customized software. Utility software is basically the additional feature. Many a time when we are using or working on a system, there are few things that we can't do with the help of any software. We need them. We need certain extra software. We need some additional software. Like suppose there are many images you have captured for an event in your function in a family function, and the images are good, and some relatives of yours wants to get the images in an email, and when you are sending the images are more than 25 MB. In a single mail you cannot attach the images of 25 MB or any file of more than 25 MB. In that case what you will do, you have to resize the size of the image. So to resize the image you need to have the utility software. Similarly, suppose you have a video and you want to convert that video into an MP3 file, and again for that purpose we need to have an additional software. So these kind of software are called utility software. Even the antivirus that we install in a computer system, that also comes under the category of utility software. Utility software is basically a kind of application software only, but they are dedicatedly designed. They are designed with some additional benefits which can be given to the different people at the different level, maybe the students or the different employee in a different company. So there are many applications, even many applications available in a mobile phone, which is available in the form of a cleaner software or junk cleaner. These software are basically responsible to help the system for the smooth functioning of the device. That's it. Then we have system software. So in the last few 10 to 15 minutes we have discussed exactly what are the different type of application software and different packages software and customized software. Now what is system software? In the very last class we have already discussed, when we talk about system software, we are talking about those software which is responsible to switch on the system. आप एक लैपटॉप या डेस्कटॉप मार्केट से खरीद के ला रहे हैं, जब तक उसमें एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं होगा आप उस सिस्टम को ऑन नहीं कर सकते. आप उस एंड्रॉयड के स्मार्टफोन को ऑन नहीं कर सकते जब तक उसमें एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट एंड्रॉयड इज एक्चुअली एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि आप जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं अलग से या ऐप इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं अलग से, दे आर एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. They are only working, they are only functioning only because they are getting a platform. And who is giving them that platform? Operating system. And operating system is something very important for any device. Why? Because it acts as an interface between user and hardware. When we are using, we are the user, the system, the device, the laptop or desktop or mobile phone is a hardware. That laptop is a worthless device, completely without any that completely the device is completely worthless if there is no operating system. आपके उस डिवाइस में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होगा तभी आप किसी ऐप को, किसी सॉफ्टवेयर को इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं. देन वी हैव लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर. इसके बारे में बात कर चुके हैं. इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ ट्रांसलेटर. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट डज? इट कन्वर्ट द हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इनटू लो लेवल लैंग्वेज. हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज क्या हुआ? द लैंग्वेज विच वी अंडरस्टैंड, लाइक सी, C++, Java, Visual Basic, any kind of language which we have learned throughout the years. But the machine, the CPU, the processor will not be able to understand these high level language. They will understand only low level language or machine language or binary language like 0 and 1. So who will convert that high level language into low level language? Language processor will convert them. And there are three type of language processor जो कि आपके हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज को लो लेवल लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट करने का काम करता है. वन इज कंपाइलर, वन इज इंटरप्रेटर एंड देन असेंबलर. कंपाइलर और इंटरप्रेटर मोर और लेस दे आर काइंड ऑफ सिबलिंग्स, दोनों एक दूसरे से एक भाई है. कंपाइलर थोड़ा सा फास्ट काम करता है, इज लिटिल स्मार्ट, वो एक बार में सारे इंस्ट्रक्शन को कन्वर्ट कर देता है. बट इंटरप्रेटर यूज टू कन्वर्ट देम लाइन बाय लाइन. ठीक है, इंटरप्रेटर थोड़ा सा देर से समझता है. आई वुड से काइंड ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन वेयर compiler actually translate everything in one go, but interpreter makes things line by line. What exactly assembler does? It convert the assembly language into machine language. Assembly language is actually a combination of different things like alphanumeric characters, which was popularly used earlier, but nowadays it is very uh, restricted, very limited device where it has been used. Then we have different mobile application, then operating system. Wait a minute. So I was saying that there are two type of different software like system software and application software. System software, which is very important for any device. Without system software you cannot start a computer or you cannot start a device. That system software is very important for to start or to run the system. And application software are different or of different purpose. They are designed to fulfill the individual needs. Then we have mobile application. Mobile application is basically known as with mobile app. After the introduction of Android smartphone, with the introduction of high speed internet services, we have feel in the last 5 to 6 years the usage of smartphone has increased a lot. With the introduction, with the heavy usage or with the heavy introduction or heavy usage of a smartphone, one thing has increased, that is conversion of software from desktop application, from web application to a mobile application. आपने ये चीज़ नोटिस की होगी कि स्मार्टफोन के आने के बाद, हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट आने के बाद, छोटी से छोटी चीज़ जो आप एक लैपटॉप या डेस्कटॉप में काम कर पाते थे या एक वेब एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू काम कर पाते थे, दैट हैज़ बिकम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए मोबाइल ऐप. Now whether you want to book a ticket, whether you want to create a document, whether you want to create a presentation, means all sort of work that we normally do in a system or in a desktop or a laptop, that has been converted or transited into the form of a mobile app. Why? Because it is more user friendly, it is easy to use, and at the same time it provide all the features that we get in a desktop or a laptop. So mobile application is something very compatible, very user friendly, very uh, innovative platform for any individual who is not very much friendly with the desktop or laptop. Okay, now there are different kind of mobile app available in the market which deals with the art, design, comics, events, health, medical, photography, communication, music and audio. Means you have kind of so many categories you can see in the table which actually offer services or mobile applications in different name with different features with different benefits. So they are available in all kind of store which is accessible by people, in like whether it is a play store of Android smartphone or app store of iPhone. Then we have operating system, where we will discuss the different structure of a operating system कि एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम किस तरह के अलग अलग हियरार्की लेवल में काम करता है और किस लेवल का क्या रोल है और किस तरीके से वो एक कंप्लीट सेटअप, कंप्लीट पेरिफेरल डिवाइस के सेटअप को वो डिज़ाइन करता है. हम लोग बात करेंगे कर्नल की, डिवाइस ड्राइवर की. So this is what we have to discuss today. In the next class we will talk about operating system and the different layer of operating system, then kernel, a very basic core unit of a operating system. Then we will talk about the different type of operating system, sorry, device driver. So this is what we have today, and I hope everything is clear to you. Whatever doubt comes to your mind, please put up in the group, then we will just discuss about them, and the assignment for the day you will get at the end of the class. Okay, thank you children, thank you everyone, stay home and stay safe.